The emergency alert warning. Danger stages of infected people and what you should to do with them if you see some. 20% of danger, second stage infected creature. If you see some, just do not panicking and go away by slow steps. 75% of danger, sixth stage of infected creature. If you see some, run away and hide. 100% of danger, ninth stage of infected creature. If you see some, run.
Don't worry, I just eat you. I wanted to eat. I know who you are. Eat. I see you. Don't hide.